Hello, everybody. Um, went to the. I was out and about today, and just doing little errand stuff. Doing what I had to do. Stop by the shop, and I already got toilet paper. I already got food. I went to get food and everything, and it's like, you know what? I'm just gonna go head to the store. Just see if they have paper towels and toilet paper. Just grab one here and there. If they got it, they don't. Fine. I'll just go home. Didn't really need it, but I don't know what it is, but every time I go to the store, I just get this feeling like I don't know. I see everybody buying stuff, and I pick up one item, then I pick up two items, and then pretty soon I got a full cart. I don't understand it. I just need to stay away. I need to lock myself in the house and not go anywhere because I just keep buying stuff. I don't need anything. I just keep buying everything. But I did pick up just a few small items from the store. Kind of embarrassed about it, so bear with me here. So here it is. I'm confessing. Who in their right mind would buy more stuff when they were just at the grocery store a couple days prior? Look at this. I'm one person, and I already have toilet paper. I end up buying more toilet paper. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I can fit all the stuff. I don't know where to put it. So don't go to the grocery store. If you have enough stuff, don't go to the grocery store anymore because it's just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. You just get in this zone where you see other people buying stuff and you act like you have to have stuff. So stay away from the grocery store, please. But this is more stuff than I've ever bought like in a long time. It was like over $200 worth of stuff that I don't even need. So I guess I won't have to buy groceries for another 6 months. If you like this review and you're ashamed, please crush the like button.